AI has got very good at writing code. That's the main thing that's happened since around late summer last year, and it's getting better and better at writing code. Now, it can also reverse engineer code very, very well. We've seen this when we're building Cumulo. We build test infrastructure, so we build offensive and defensive infrastructure, and we soon started to see the AI suggesting it created its own C2, basically its own attack channels and its own ways of breaking into systems, its own reverse shells. It suggested it deploys its own API, so we can then do command and control. It's easy to see where this is going. Now, the danger there is that AI has now learned everything about how we write software and how we break it and hack into it and how we defend it. So the more AI is out there reading everything, it's learning how to be a cyber attacker, and it's now learning how to write the code that cyber attackers write. It's learning how to find the vulnerabilities in the hardware and software we all use. That is a big issue, because it then can work out how to break lots and lots of software in ways that we don't currently know. That's called 0 days. That's absolutely essential to understanding the problem. In cybersecurity, 0 days have been around for decades. These aren't new problems. The problem with AI is it's discovering them way quicker and a velocity that we can't keep up with. And that means that many current cyber defense strategies just don't apply. In fact, sometimes, as some of the supply chain attacks have shown us, patching may be the worst thing you can do, because AI is also very good at breaking into the code in the supply chain. Basically, the software we need to update may be infected through the supply chain. There's been many examples of that recently. So that changes the whole patch quickly, dynamic. That's just one example. The other example is that it used to take very, very skilled people with lots of money and resource to take bits of hardware and reverse engineer the firmware and break into them. Typically, these are things like the firewalls that protect the perimeter of all our infrastructures. These days, AI can do that. It's trivial. All the firmware exists on the internet. All the previous ways of exploiting it are available. There's no wonder that AI is an expert at this, because it's learned from our human knowledge over the decades that is available on the internet. And now it can write code, it's away.